So, what brought you down here to New Orleans from New York?
Well, as you know, there's really not a Manhattan anymore after some little ragtag bunch of jerks called the Avengers and Loki destroyed all of it by having their big, massive battle. You know, it's really hard to swing place to place when the Hulk keeps knocking over every building in Manhattan. All through Times Square. I mean, how else am I supposed to get good shots? I mean, that's not going to do it, right?
Are there any buildings in New Orleans that you'd be able to get destroyed if they come down here?
You know, there's a couple, mostly the historic ones, because those are really good shots up there. I mean, they're beautiful. Over in Jackson Square, I mean, I can sell those for fun. I mean, I don't sell my own pictures, obviously.
Does your web have a harder time sticking to the buildings here from New York?
A little bit. The humidity kind of does mess with the chemistry of the webbing. Just a tiny bit.
Can you find the same webbing down here? Do you use it?
I've honestly been having problems with it down here. Finding materials and getting them shipped. It's actually been quite difficult. There's a shop out in French Quarter that sometimes has what I'm looking for. But not all the time.
Good. The first time you climbed a wall, what happened?
We don't talk about my early days, man.
Why not? They didn't work.
We just don't talk about it. Can we change subjects?
No, I want to know what happened.
We don't need to know about it. I'm Spiderman. It's all good.
Did you just not make it all the way up, or did you kind of just crumble down the wall?
Did Deadpool put you up to this shit? Alright, let's get you.
Hey, what's up, man? It's going.
Go save some lives.
I gotta go fix the website
There you
first.
go. Go handle this shit.
I came to New Orleans like 4 months ago to fight crime. I found this place carries everything I need to build my website every time I break them. Because I suck. Hi. So I broke my web slingers. Do you have thick bands that I put around my wrist? Some springs, CO2 canisters, plastic containers about that big, and a button. This is awkward. And on a wrist mount, like kind of like you know, like your bondage stuff or a watch maybe. Right here, 2 pressurized canisters over here, pressure pad on the palm, I press down, and what it does is it takes it's somewhere in between nylon and silk, as far as texture and strength goes. Enough to hold me up, obviously, and swing me around a little bit and mess up some bad guys. But I press down on the pressure pads, it shoots out through a spinneret, which is how it has that nice spiderweb texture, and then it hits and sticks from there.
Do you have to cut holes in your sleeves to do that?
No, normally I would just wear it over top, which is how I broke them actually, fighting with the homeless guy here. The homeless are kinda tough. Don't tell Deadpool I said that.